everyone, this is Nayereh, but you can call me Sophie. To me, cats are endearing animal, one of the best creatures in the world. And today's lesson would relate. Look at this one, oh my god, you're so cute. And today's lesson will relate to these innocent beauties. This one is really curious. Let's get started. Have you ever had such these experiences of, for example, imagine that you're watching some series or movies with Persian subtitle and everything is going on perfectly well, but all of a sudden some gibberish rough translation shows up which doesn't make any sense, shows up and ruin everything. In this kind of situation, the blame lies with idioms. You may ask what the idiom is. Okay, I will tell you. It is a group of words with special meaning which is not deducible. The meaning is not deducible by the individual words. I mean, it has another meaning. In Persian, we say, for example, istilahat or something like this. Let me clear there by making an example for you. For instance, you text your friend, hey dude, let's get together and watch Friends series, I mean. And he or she texts you back, please, yes. And he or she texts you back that, I do, it is not my cup of tea, sorry. What the heck? How on earth you can say this shit to me? I mean, okay, take it easy. Something isn't my cup of tea. What does it mean? She or he said that Friends is not my cup of tea. It means I don't like it. I dislike it. Huh? For example, shopping is not my cup of tea, but watching movies is my cup of tea. So this is idiom, okay? The meaning is not deducible with individual vocabularies. Now, we're supposed to work on some animalish one, cats especially, as I mentioned and pointed out at the first of the video. So the first one is cats got somebody's tongue. Cat has got somebody's tongue. This is getting somebody's tongue. But what does it mean? We use this when someone doesn't speak due to shyness or embarrassment. In Persian we say something like this. For example, it seems cats got your tongue, Sam. Are you always this silent? The second one is let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. And what does it mean? It means revealing secrets. my heart is beating when they are crossing this part because of wires. Revealing secret. And for example, who let the cat out of the bag about surprise party? I will kill him. Okay? And the third one, this one is really beautiful. My favorite, actually. Curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat. What does it mean? We use this when someone is asking too much questions, especially private questions. For example, someone asks you, where did you get all this money? Where did you get all this money? And you can say, curiosity killed the cat. Be careful, dude. Okay? And the final one, last one, although not cat's one, is this one. Have ants in your pants. Have ants in your pants. What does it mean? We can use this one. In Persian we said something like this. And the previous one, curiosity killed the cat, means fuzuli borden jahannam, or for example, fuzuli mogu, something like this. And the final one, this one, we use that, have ants in your pants. We use this one when we cannot remain calm and, for example, sit down out of nervousness or excitement. For example, my sis had ants in her pants before interview. Okay, so this is all, and I'm sorry if I was a little nervous. They are just playing here and fighting with each other, and I have to support them, support my video, support you and everything. So I was a little distracted. Thank you again and again for being with me, being tedious and nice to me, and catch you later. Come here, come here.